if you can use a calculator, you can learn Python arithmetic operators in just a few minutes. Let's get started, right? So first of all, we will discuss about what is arithmetic operators, right? So arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical calculations in numbers, right? So there are seven parts of arithmetic operators, right? So first of all, we will discuss about the what the addition operators, right? First of all, we will discuss about addition operators, right? Right now, in addition operators, we will write the definition. Used to add two numbers. Used add two numbers is called addition operator, right? So we will run. So this is the title, right? Now we will add the in addition operator. We will use the add addition operator, right? So in addition operator, we will use addition operator, right? So suppose we have a two variable a is equal to 10, right? B is equal to 5, right? Now I want to add these both numbers on the screen. A plus B, right? We will run this program and you will get what the output. This is the 15, right? Now अब हम क्या करते हैं, यूजर से इनपुट लेते हैं. सपोज a is equal to integer, right? We will write the input, right? User से input लेते हैं, right? Now we will use the double quotation. Then after I will write the enter the first number, right? Right? And then we will write the second variable, and also we will use the same input, right? We will use the enter the second number, right? Then after we will use the bracket, right? Now we will use what the print a plus a plus b, right? So now we will run this program and will take the input from you, right? Now we will put the 10, enter, right? Now the next number. So this is the 15, right? So this is called the addition operator in Python, right? Now we will use what the second operator, which is called subtraction, right? Which is called operator, in which we will use what the minus symbol, right? So now we will write the definition of that operator. It is subtract one number from another number, right? Is called subtraction operator, right? So in which this is called subtraction operator, right? So now we will use the same variable right? Minus symbol. We will run this program. We will get what? This output, right? Now we will use the same this function, right? So this is the only will change the sign, right? So run this program, we will get what? The 10, right? And now we will get we will put the 5 and you will get the 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, right? So this is what we call it a subtraction operator, right? Now we will discuss about the third operator, which is called multiplication operators, right? Operator in which we will use this symbol, right? Now we will write the definition of that operator. It is used to multiply the numbers, right? So this is the multiplication operator. It is used to multiply the numbers, right? Suppose we have a same number, then after we will use the what? The multiplication sign, right? So now we will run this program. So this is the output, right? Now we will use the same function, right? So this is a multiplication operator. Now we will put the numbers 10, right? Now we will put the 5 and you will get 50. So this is called the multiplication operators in Python, right? And now we will discuss about the fourth one, which is called we will use the fourth one, which is called division operator, right? Division operators, right? So what is that? Used to divide one number from used to divide one number by another, right? So this is called the division operator. We will use the what? The symbol. This is the division operator, right? So now we will run this program. This is the title, right? So we will get the same numbers, right? So this is the same number. Now we will change only sign, right? So this is the division. We will run this program. We will get 2.0. One thing you have to keep in mind that in division operator, division always returns what? Float numbers, right? Float value, right? These both are whole numbers 10 and 5 and you will get what? 2.0. कोई भी नंबर्स हो, होल नंबर्स हो, तो आपका जो आउटपुट है वो क्या आएगा? पॉइंट्स में आएगा, राइट? अब हमारा 5 नंबर जो है वो क्या है? उसको हम बोलते हैं क्या? सॉरी, अब हमारा जो 5 नंबर है वो क्या है? float deviant operator, right? It returns float deviant operators. We will use the returns only whole number part and remove the decimal part, right? So this is the float deviant operator. It returns what? Only the whole number part and removes the decimal part, right? So now we will run this program and this is the title, right? So suppose this is the program. Copy over here and we will now we will use the double backward slash sign, right? So now we will run this program. You will get what? 2, right? So this always returns what? The whole number, right? Now we are going to check user input. So now we will get the double sign, right? Now we will run this program. You will get what? The suppose we have a 10 and we have a 5. You will get 2, right? So in the next we will get what? The markdown. We will get what? The 6 number. We will call as a modulus operator, right? In which we will use what? The percentage sign, right? So this is the modulus sign. So what is that? Oh, chalo, returns it returns the remainder, right? After division, right? So what is modulus? What do the modulus operators? Returns the remainder after division, right? So now we will run this program and this is the title. Now we have a same program, same function. We will use over here. We will use the modulus, right? We will run this program. You will get what? The 0. If we divide 10 by 5, 2 5s the 10, right? You will get what? The remainder is equal to 0, right? So in the last we will discuss about the 7, right? 7. This is the last one. Exponent operator, right? We will use the double static sign, double star, right? So why we use that? It is used to find the power, right? Power of numbers, right? So now we will use what? The same function. right? No, same function not. A is equal to true, right? B is equal to 3. Now we will print A double asterisk, then B, means A power 3. Sorry, 2 power 3. 2 2 is there. Now we will run this program. You will get what? 8. 2 powers 3, you will get 8. Right? So this is all about the what we call it as arithmetic operators in Python, right? अगर आपने ये पूरा वीडियो देख लिया, it means that आपने operators पूरा क्लियर कर दिया, right? So this is called the operators in Python, right? In the next video, we will talk about the second operators, right? Bitwise operator or logical operators, right? So thank you. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.